Morning, group. So, here's Dave's guitar back again. Dave's guitar is all done. It came out great. Let's check it out. Oh, focus. No finish touch-up at all. It's just sanding and buffing. And look at that, action looks great. Brought that right down. We also did a fret level and polish, so frets are all nice and shiny, because we like things to be shiny. And all intonated. This thing was way off. We're all dialed in now. This thing is a cool guitar. Found out that these things go for a lot of money. Someone up on Reverb has one for like $8,000 or something. It is crazy. These pickups are cool. Here, check this out. Can you see? Oh, there we go. Is it working? Oh yeah. Together, and then we can do out of phase. Yeah. Back in phase, and different cap settings. Different tone options on these things. I like it. Very cool guitar, Dave.